Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to delete Discord account permanently. To delete your Discord account permanently, you need to follow the steps. So here, first of all, you want to make sure that you already have a Discord account. Log into your Discord and the interface will look something like this. So right on this page, what you want to do is click the U button from the right hand side corner of your screen. And here, click on the gear icon from the top right once again. As you go to this section, click on Account under Settings. And here, you want to scroll down right to the bottom. And at the bottom, there is an option to delete account. Click that out. If you are sure about it, you could go and read about this. In order to delete Discord or display your account, you must first transfer ownership of all the server that you own. So you have to do this, or you have to transfer the ownership of your server that you own. And once you do it, so do the same thing, that is come back to the settings and then go ahead and click on delete account. Read all the terms and conditions, agree to all the privacy and policy as well. And once you've done it, so you could then go ahead and start with your deletion of your account. So this is how you'll be able to delete your Discord account permanently. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.